Namaskaram. On this special occasion, marking the book release of 108 Jathis by Chidambaram Suresh, it is my pleasure to speak a few words about the author and his work. Being both a dancer and a skilled percussionist, Suresh's work has always been special. This unique understanding allows him to create complex rhythm arrangements that are especially evocative and effective for Natyam. His understanding of Natyam gives his Chollakattu and rhythmic patterns a beautiful sense of musicality. In his book, Suresh has explored the individual voice and character of each Yati, presenting a wide range of Jathis from simple to complex patterns. This collection of Jathis will surely be a valuable resource to many students, performers, and teachers of Natyam. One of the highlights of the book is how simply and effectively it explains the various elements and symbols used in notating Jathis. This aspect particularly will be very useful for dancers in learning to read and notate Jathis. I had the joy of teaching and interacting with Suresh briefly at Sahridaya. Today all Sahridayas and I come together to wish Suresh a bright future and hope he continues to contribute and grow in his artistic pursuit. Thank you.